Hello, this property is for sale. It's a clean titled land, and this property is 300 square meter. So the property is starting here, from here, and then here. This is the frontage of the land. So it's a square type. So the property is here, and then going there. It's a rectangular land. So this is until here. This is the post. So from here going to the post here. Till here. So from here going to the post. So you can see it's a flat, so no need to develop the land. It's already flat, and the place also is peaceful, and around 10 minutes to the seawater, and around less than 10 minutes drive to Tagbilaran City. So if you have some questions and other information, just call me at 6392989034442 or 092989034442. That number is available in WhatsApp and Viber. Thank you very much.